in नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ, where we are going to talk, learn, discuss much more about driving India's growth story. Joining us here tonight, आप सभी का as a good host should do, बहुत बहुत स्वागत आज की इस खूबसूरत सी शाम में और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सबसे पहले आज अपना यहाँ वक्त देने के लिए, आज की शाम we are celebrating all of you। और सुजाता में हम एक बहुत प्यारी सी एक पंच लाइन बोलते हैं कि इससे बेटर मिक्सर ग्राइंडर नहीं आता, और हम आज ये कहना चाहेंगे कि इससे बेटर सुजाता का परिवार हो नहीं सकता। आप सब हमारा परिवार है and we are celebrating this evening with you। तो चलिए आज की इस खूबसूरत सी शाम की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले हर शुभ मौके की शुरुआत हम हिंदुस्तानी सभ्यता में
Yes, we are creating an imprint on time. And as we are going throughout the day, ensure that we are all learning more about it, that's how we are doing it. And the best part is that all of you, and even the Stonex family who is not here today, you all are a part of it. And all of this has been possible because of you. Can we please put our hands together? एक बार आप सबके लिए जोरदार तालियां। ये सब जो आज हम देख रहे हैं, ये आप ये possible हो पा रहा है। Next up, ladies and gentlemen, there's a new vertical which we are embarking on together, which is the addition of the hospitality vertical and expanding the Stonex business. To share more with us, let's please welcome on stage. We have.
Can we please join our hands together for the students here? Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, want to come? Namaste, namaskar. Good morning. If you're all listening me, I'll really love to hear it back. Good morning, everyone. When we talk about education, this is one thing that we have learned when we were as young as these ones, right? So a little more loudly. Good morning, everyone. Thank you. Our guest, Thiruvaran Ravi, Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, to address the August gathering. Can we please join our hands together and welcome him on the dais? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that we'll all agree that we remain deeply honored and privileged to have received the Chief Guest address from our Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, and sir, your inspiring words are going to be a guiding light for all of us. Now it's time, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving to the very first panel for the day. A little intro, how we all know in today's environment, consumer sentiments are rapidly shifting. Costs are rising, yes, competitive pressures are intensifying. The panel that we are going to invite will discuss and explore how retailers can stay deeply relevant to our customers while maintaining the resilience and operational strength needed to thrive in today's challenging times. We'll dive into strategies around building loyalty, leveraging data and technology, optimizing value propositions, and staying agile in the face of disruption. First and foremost, I am delighted to introduce our moderator. Can we please put our hands together for Mr. Kumar Rajagopalan, CEO, Retailers Association of India. Ready? Johar, Namaskar. It's always good to hear it back also. Johar, Namaskar. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm happy that we have smiles on the faces. जब भी चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट होती है, तो ये हम सभी को पता होता है कि अब दिल में सुकून है, हम सब सेटल्ड हैं, भागदौड़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, चर्चा के लिए, डिस्कशन के लिए तैयार हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, a very, very warm welcome to this beautiful city. that we are all here for. झारखंड अपनी स्थापना के 25 स्वर्णिम वर्ष पूरे कर रहा है। एक ऐसी धरती जिसने संसाधनों से लेकर संकल्प तक हर क्षेत्र में अपनी पहचान बनाई। We all agree with this, right? A little yes, no? 25 years since Jharkhand laid its foundation, and we have all seen the progress from physical infrastructure to the digital infratech, be it technology, be it highways, be it any other structure that we are talking about in the city. इस बिरसा मुंडा भगवान की जमीन पर, इस धरती पर आपका बहुत स्वागत। Let's reflect on the key takeaways from our discussions. Let's acknowledge the achievements of our participants. Let's express our appreciation to all those who have made this summit possible. There's always a saying throughout the sessions that we had today, that we had yesterday. There's always a very famous saying that I always like to quote, that if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, fish will spend its life thinking it is stupid, it is lame. While we are talking about 1:30 ratio in the classroom or 1:60, I have been in the situations where, I think a lot of you in this room would have been in situations where it's 1:120 students. But we are living in the times when there is need of the hour is 1:1. थोड़ी सी मोहब्बत से काम नहीं चलता है फिराक, कि थोड़ी सी मोहब्बत से काम नहीं चलता है फिराक। ये वो मामला है या तो सब कुछ या कुछ भी नहीं। एक आर्टिस्ट की जिंदगी यही है, वो कुछ भी करे लेकिन उसके मन में उसकी कला, उसका हुनर या तो पूरी तरह है और नहीं है तो फिर तो कुछ भी नहीं। तो चलिए, ऐसा ही कुछ हुनर, ऐसा ही कुछ टैलेंट हम आज आपको StoneX Got Talent कि इस स्टेज पे दिखाने वाले हैं। A big round of applause for those people, for our leaders, जिन्होंने हमें ये स्टेज और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है to showcase our talent। अब ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, ये क्या आइडिया है, बहुत जनों कोई अभी भी लग रहा है हमें पता नहीं था, क्या हम भी परफॉर्म कर सकते थे, ये यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे, कैसे सिलेक्शन हुआ। To give a little details, I'll invite on stage, we have Amandeep Kaur. I'll request her to please join us here and help us with the details. We're saying architects of AI and you are those. So can we please put our hands together for all of you, and I'm going to do that, but you can help me of course. A little more loudly. Can we do this? Super. तो चलिए एक बार मिलके आप सबके लिए let's please put our hands together. जोरदार तालियों के साथ। और थोड़ा और, थोड़ा और, थोड़ा और, एक बार और, थोड़ा एक बार और, जोरदार तालियां आप सबके लिए। Higher education, employability, excellence. We are here today at a platform where leaders from government, academia, industry, all of you here with us. First of all, thank you. Thank you for that. One more time, let's please put our hands together for all of you. I am going to do that this time. All of you, ladies and gentlemen, we are here today under this one roof to convene, to shape the next chapter of higher education in India. I am your host, Sumiti Anand, or I generally say I'm going to be the one disturbing you once in a while in between, and then you can continue with this amazing conversation. And we humbly welcome you all to this wonderful gathering, which will bring into focus the policy reforms, digital advancements, strategic initiatives that are redefining learning outcomes, strengthening employability, and elevating industrial institutions excellence across the nation. Now we are all here present, ready to learn, so why not? Let's give a big round of applause to ourselves, everyone, before we start this beautiful day. Yesterday we had amazing talks, expert sessions. There were amazing speakers. We learned about how we can learn, relearn, unlearn, and a lot of things. Day one was about ideas, inspiration, but day two is going to be all about translating that inspiration into action. We'll be discussing how policy turns into practice, how digital tools empower teachers and learners, how schools can build scalable, sustainable models of excellence that work across diverse contexts. I've been mentioning how excited I am for the very first session, talk, fireside chat of the day. Without wasting any time, ladies and gentlemen, on the stage with huge round of applause, we are going to invite global spiritual leader, motivational speaker. So next person who's joining us on the stage, everyone, let's please put our hands together for none other than the analytical expert, Mr. Neeraj Jaipuria, founder and director of VI Retail Limited. Everyone, can we please join our hands together for Mr. Neeraj? Stand up if you represent a company that has financed, built, or advised a project. सब खड़े हो जाएंगे चलेगा? That's okay. All of us can stand. If you've already done your workouts in the morning, I can leave it. But if not, then all of us can stand. If you have built, if you're a company that has financed, built, or advised a project. Superb. So we have some people already sitting down. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, why are we doing this? Okay. Why are we asking this? Yes. We need the energy in the room, but also, this is the network that we have here today. And this is... we have among us Mr. Rana Kaushik. I request her to please join us on the stage. Head ETH World and ET Education. Ma'am, please help us to felicitate our guests. तालियां बजाने से कतराइएगा मत throughout the day. Let's all be healthy together. And thank you so much. Now it's time for the very first mega panel for the day, where we are going to explore how academia and industry together can prepare graduates with the agility and cutting-edge skills which are required for an evolving job landscape. Please join me in welcoming the distinguished panel among us. We have Ajay Prakash Srivastava, Chancellor, Maharishi University of Information Technology, Chancellor of Ramayana University. Ladies and gentlemen, we can join our hands together while we are welcoming, we have... Thank you so much everyone. कुछ तो public demand पे, they are, genuinely coming up on the stage and performing. Next up, जो performer आ रहे हैं, उनकी अगर हम introduction में कुछ शब्द कहें, कि उनके हर लफ्ज में है एक खूबसूरत सा एहसास, उनके हर लफ्ज में है एक खूबसूरत सा एहसास, और अपने शब्दों से वो बनाने वाले हैं इस महफिल को और खास. Can we please put our hands together for Mr. Piyush, everybody? Let's just close our eyes and let's. So thank you. Yeah, let's please close our eyes. No cheating. Let's think of the times, when there was no internet at all. Simpler times, I would say. We all would have a lot of memories. Let's think about what we used to do, how we used to interact with our loved ones, how we used to sit together. And let's come back. Anyone you'd like to share how you guys used to pass your time, when there was no internet? Any idea? Anyone? Hi, sir. Would you like to share one thing, just one thing, small one line, how you used to pass your time? What do you used to do?
So the best thing I recall is, getting together in the evening. If you have seen a movie, one of the friends will share the story of that movie with everybody.
School days, were they happy days for every one of us? Yes, sir. Thank you so much. It is said that if we teach our children today, as we have taught them yesterday, we are robbing our children of the future. And that's why we all are here today. It is said that, the most precious gift that you can give to somebody is your time, because that's the most precious asset. Thank you so much that you have given us your time today. Everyone, one last time, let's give a big round of applause to ourselves. He is not getting over, it's just getting started. I am Sumati Anand, I was your host for the evening. Thank you so much everyone for being here, for joining us tonight. As Savik says, chemistry that matters, and this is the chemistry that matters for everyone here. This family is the one that matters. So thank you on behalf of Sabiq for joining us here. Thank you. आप सब अपने परिवारों के साथ इतनी खूबसूरत शाम आप सभी ने सजाई.
एक बार मित्तल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की ओर से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for joining us here tonight. I know हम सब बढ़ रहे हैं आगे, पर एक बार अगर जोरदार तालियां आप सब के लिए बजा दें for all the top achievers of Sujata. Thank you so much for joining us here at Sujata Achievers Night. I am Sumiti Anand. I was your host. Please enjoy the evening, everyone. And very soon we'll start with the party tonight. This is the celebration where we are celebrating all of you.